Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today's topic is who is Dajjal? In English, Dajjal means Antichrist. It's a detailed topic which I will be able to finish in many parts. So today is the part 1. We are living in a mysterious world. Every day we see and hear things which we have not seen or heard before. Especially the year 2020 have taught us many lessons which we have not learned before. For example, pandemic chaos, conspiracy theories, economical crisis, poor health system, confusions, lack of genuine leadership, anxiety, depression, massive deaths, divorces, suicides, laziness. All these things we have experienced in 2020. And I'm curious and try to look for the answers. My attention grabbed the topic of Dajjal. So I started the research on the subject. I'm really thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for his blessings. I'm thankful to our best teacher, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for his teachings. I would like to thank all the scholars who helped me understand the Dajjal and the concept of Dajjal in different religions. I would like to thank Google and YouTube for quick and easy references, and I would like to thank Islam 360. Let's begin with the journey to know the Dajjal. I tried my best to learn from the authentic sources. Many mysteries unfolded in my mind. May Allah protect all of us from confusions and grant us truth. Ameen. Hadith. Imran bin Hussein Razila Ta'ala Anhum said, I heard Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, since the birth of Adam alayhi salam till the advent of the day of judgment, there is no fitna. Fitna means trials and tribulation, test. So he said, there is no fitna much greater that of Dajjal. Means the greatest tests and trials for mankind will be coming of Dajjal, and in English we call Antichrist. Now, who is Dajjal? Is he human or devil or jinn or an angel or an animal? He is none of the above. He is some other being created by Allah to fulfill the mission. Dajjal came from the word Dajjal, which means deceive. And deceive means to mislead by a fake appearances or statement, unfaithful, or we can say unfaithfulness. Sounds familiar, huh? Sounds familiar. Look around yourself. Fake world. People are impressed with fake presentations. Anybody can beautify garbage and sell it at the high price. Genuine and pure things are disappearing gradually and slowly. Mainstream media is creating confusion and playing with the minds of people. Okay, Let's ask this question. When will Dajjal appear? Dajjal will appear when people forget about him, and imams and scholars will not remind about him in their sermons. There will be at least 30 claims of prophethood before the coming of Dajjal. Some of the example of that is Rashad Khalifa from Egypt claimed prophethood in America in 1980s. Alija Muhammad from the Nation of Islam also claimed prophethood. When Dajjal comes, there will be a serious drought and famine. He will appear in Iran at the province of Khorasan in the city named Asfahan. He will be powerful and will have an abundance of wealth, rivers, and gardens. He will order earth to take out all its treasures. He will give life and death. Jesus salam is the only person who will kill Dajjal. The let's talk about now the appearance of Dajjal. Number 1, strong built. Number 2, short height, looks like a bodybuilder. Number 3, curly hairs. Number 4, he will be blind in the right eye, and the right eye pupil looks like a small ball stuck out. Number 5, he can see with the left eye but not very good. His vision of the left eye will be blurry. Number 6, he will rule the world from Jerusalem. Number 7, he will declare that he is the Messiah. Now, what is the concept of Dajjal in divine religions? Jews call him Messiah, Savior, who will do 4 things for them. Number 1, liberate the Holy Land. Number 2, help them to return and settle in the Holy Land. Number 3, establish the state of Israel. Number 4, Israel will become a ruling state of the world. When all these will be completed, then the Dajjal himself comes and rule. Jews sees Dajjal as a good person, and they see the Dajjal as a savior for Jewish community. Christians have also warned in their books about Dajjal. They call it Antichrist. When Protestants got separated from Catholics due to the domination of Pope, they called the Pope Antichrist. So they have the concept of Antichrist as a bad person. Our Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam describe him as Masih Dajjal because Dajjal will intimate Jesus alayhi salam. Although Jesus alayhi salam is the real Messiah and Dajjal is a false Messiah. Every prophet and messenger have warned their people about Dajjal. But our Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam have given many details on this subject. Number 1, Dajjal can see with left eye. The left eye symbolizes external vision only. He will show only outer looks, world of fake presentations and lies. That's why people easily get trapped in all kind of lies. Big example of today's time is media, magic shows, corrupted agriculture, movies and dramas. Now, It's now we can go number two. Number two, he will be blind in the right eye. Repeat this number two. Number two, he will be blind in right eye. The right eye symbolizes inner vision only, the eye which is located in our heart. If the heart is alive spiritually, that it can see, hear, and understand the truth. Those who can see with their right eye accept the truth without hesitation. They never show off and hate hypocrisy. Number three, on his forehead a word kafir will be visible. The root of the word kafir is kaf, fa, and ra, which mean denier. It will be visible to all believers, whether they are literate or illiterate. It's a light that God bestows on the heart of the believers by which they distinguish between true and false. Here I will conclude the part 1, and inshallah very soon I will be posting part 2. Thank you for listening and hope you have enjoyed it, and please ponder on this subject. It's a very important subject of today's time. Without understanding Dajjal, we will not be able to understand today's era. So it's very important. And wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.